Let's divide 228 by 2. Hey super math stars, it's me, your favorite Let's Stud teacher. If you're having fun learning with me, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an adventure. Alright team, let's start our division adventure with the first digit of 228. We're going to use the first digit, which is 2. Let's see how many times 2 fits into 2. 2 goes into 2 exactly 1 time, so our first quotient digit is 1. Let's check 1 times 2 is, you guessed it, 2. Now we subtract 2 from our first digit 2, that leaves us with 0, no remainder here. You're doing amazing, keep that focus, you're crushing it. We finished with the first digit, time to move on to the next one. Next up, let's tackle the second digit of 228, we're bringing down the 2. We bring down the next digit 2 to join our remainder of 0, now we have 2. How many times does 2 fit into 2? It's just 1 time. Let's multiply 1 times 2 equals 2. Subtracting 2 from 2 gives us 0. Another 0 remainder, fantastic. Woohoo, you're doing so great, high five. We've handled the second digit, only 1 more to go. Last but not least, let's bring down the final digit 8. We bring down the 8 to join our remainder of 0. Now we have 8 to work with. How many times does our divisor 2 fit into 8? It's 4 times. Let's check our work. 4 times 2 is 8, perfect. Subtract 8 from 8 and we get 0. We have no remainder left. You absolutely nailed it, that's the spirit. We've used all the digits and our division is complete. Great job. So we divided 228 by 2 and found our answer is 114. Great job, everyone! We just conquered dividing 228 by 2 step by step. Remember, long division might seem tricky, but with practice and a positive attitude, you can master anything. Keep practicing, keep shining, and explore more fun math videos right here on Let's Stud. See you next time, Math Whizzes.